Hello, good afternoon. This is Rema Engineering Solution, and here we also take internship students, and these are we have 3 internship students here. They've been here for 2 weeks, and so we want to interview them and find out of their experiences and achievements so far. It's been 2 weeks, so we will be talking to them individually. Come on, let's go.
So we have here Taye Samson from Takoradi Technical University. We want to find out from him his achievements so far. Like I said, it's been 2 weeks. We want to know what he has learned, what he has achieved, and are we on track per their expectations?
Okay, I've achieved a lot. I don't know how to use the computer to do AutoCAD, spreadsheet, and some other things. But now I can use it to draw something using the AutoCAD. I can use the computer to do stimulation. I can also use the computer to edit. I can also use the Excel to do a stimulation. So I have achieved a lot.
Right, so it's good to know that Samson has learned a lot, especially the things that he didn't know before. And as Rema, we are happy to hear that. Let's move to our next interns.
My name is Joseph Enim from Takoradi Technical University, and I'm an intern in Rema Engineering Solution. I've learned a lot throughout these 2 weeks, and then I'm here to share what I learned. So first, we started with Mr. Hazel, and then he taught us how to use the Excel to estimate solar power and then very great power backup. And also I learned how to use AutoCAD to draw solar connections and stuff. And then also we are here to learn about HFS and more. So yeah, I'm okay, and then everything we are learning, we are taking it serious. So I'm also happy because I haven't been taught all this near school. So I'm also happy if I go back, I can even teach my colleagues and take some money in my pocket.
So this is great news to hear. I mean, we are happy. Our focus is to impact the life of people. We are happy that our interns are learning and they are happy being here. We also have one elderly person here in our midst. It's a privilege to have an elderly person as part of our interns. So let's move to him.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. I'm Mohammed Lami. Happy to be at Rema Engineering for my internship. For the past 2 weeks I've been here, I've learned a lot. I've learned the Excel, how to do estimation, and the AutoCAD. And we are also going to another program, HFSS and CST, how to patch antennas and work on antennas. So I'm so happy for our teachers, those who are taking through, Mr. Smart and Eze.
I also had an experience at the field, and it was very great. We went with my supervisor and then my colleague over here, Samson. We went to a place at an Adenta to fix solar panel for a household. We went along with a 1,000-watt inverter with a battery and our connection wires, and then we connected, we did our connections, and everything was working perfectly. I had a very nice experience there. I was able to familiarize myself with the connections, saw some cables I haven't seen before, and some gadgets I also haven't seen before.
If you are approaching the strength, if you put it at 200, it's too high. Let it face the sun and see. Let the sun face.
want to thank the management team, the staff, the CEO, the manager, also Mr. Smart and Mr. Nazel, and also Mr. Alex. And we have some special lady who is called Madam Ivy, who used to pitch to us. I thank them all.
Thanks to my supervisor for taking me along. I also want to thank Mr. Martin, the CEO, and Mr. Eric, manager, and I also want to thank Mr. Smart for doing this video. I also want to thank Mr. Alex for doing a great market, for helping us doing our printing, Madam Ivy also for preaching the word of God into our bloodstreams. Yeah.
It was a very nice day when we went on a job practice at Winneba Off-Road. At that day, Mr. Martin, the CEO, and Mr. Smart were accompanying with us, and we went to install CCTV cameras. It was a bright experience for me that day to start a new trade. I enjoyed it so much, and I thank the administration, the team, so that they continue to do the best work for us.
Right, so this is what we do here in REMA. We also educate the interns, give them exposures and opportunities to learn. And we are happy that so far they have something to talk about from their experience here in REMA. It's been only 2 weeks, and we have about almost 1 month to go. And we believe that by the end of their internship program, they will be fulfilled and their expectations met. Thank you.